Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your PC. First, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. The most recommended option for Call of Duty Mobile is GameLoop, as it is officially supported. However, other excellent choices like BlueStacks or LD Player also work well, offering various features for a smooth gaming experience. Once you have decided on an emulator, navigate to its official website and download the installation file. After the download completes, locate the file and run it. The installation process is typically straightforward, guiding you through a few steps. It is crucial to ensure your personal computer meets the minimum specifications, such as at least 4 GB of random access memory for the best performance. With the emulator successfully installed, open it up. You will usually find a search bar or an app store within the emulator interface. Search for Call of Duty Mobile and proceed to download and install it. Once installed, take some time to adjust your in-game settings. This includes customizing your keybinds for keyboard and mouse and optimizing graphic quality for a clear visual experience. To truly enhance your Call of Duty Mobile experience on PC, focus on optimization. Experiment with different control layouts to find what feels most natural for you. Dive into the emulator's settings to allocate sufficient resources, like central processing unit cores and random access memory, ensuring stable frame rates. For an even more immersive feel, many players find using a gamepad provides a familiar and enjoyable way to play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.